Okay, Indian food lovers, this is not a grocery store refrigerated section. This is the bottom drawer of my refrigerator. Why am I taking a quick video to share with all of you? Because I just want to show you how I organize and I stay prepped. These are glass containers that I bought at the Container Store some time back. They have lids. I store food in them, but you know what? They're awesome to partition all of my washed and prepped produce. This is the produce we go through in about a week and a half, 2 weeks in this house. Some of the stuff like these from the farmer's market chilies, they're really good, but I have quite a few of them. I'm gonna make them in a jar. Shiitake mushrooms, squash, I happen to chop it up already, so I just kept them. These beautiful radishes I bought on the Vaughan Avenue yesterday. These Persian cucumbers. One thing you want to keep in mind with my prep drawer is every single thing is washed and prepped and then chopped up if need be, and I'm going to use it right away. Not chopped. Obviously, this is fresh turmeric. It's a rhizome, not a root, but there you go. It is not something that I'm going to chop up, but I've already washed it and scrubbed it down so it can go in my fridge. I'm a weirdo, I get it. I put tomatoes in my fridge only because I don't want them to ripen too much. We don't want overly sweet tomatoes in Indian cooking. We like them the way they are. So touch tart cucumbers, what am I talking about? Corn on the cob. I've got it all washed. It's cleaned and prepped in here because I'm gonna make a recipe with it this week. I've got some broccoli under there, already washed. The key with all of this, so it does not go bad, is to dry it so that it's not wet when it goes in here. And then look, I've got my little green onions, they're at the bottom. I can grab all this stuff, make a quick soup if I want, a Thai soup. Why do I say Thai soup? Because I have these great lime leaves that I bought at the Vietnamese market this past weekend. Phenomenal to use in your soup broth. I've got some Thai chili peppers. I use these all the time for Indian cooking. I've got my garlic. I got it pre-peeled. Some people don't want to do that. I just do that because I use so much of it. And it's washed and dried and then put in this container. My onion, yes, I peel it. I don't cut it because then it can smell sometimes. And there is one little tiny piece in there that's already cut. That's okay. If it's peeled and kept in here and washed and dried, then I can grab it and use it really easily for cooking. I've got red, I've got white onion, I've got some avocado that's washed and then put in here after it's been dried. Shallots on the bottom. Check this out on the very bottom. I love these shallots. I got them at the Vietnamese market. Look how fresh they are. And then I've got some ginger. Look how beautiful this rhizome. It's not a root, it's a rhizome. Look how beautifully plump it is. I'm gonna use it for a masala this week. This was my goal this week. Jalapeno chilies. Oh my God, so good. This was my goal, you guys, this week, was to get this whole bottom drawer prepped and ready for all of you to just get inspired by. This is how I get through my recipe testing. This is how I get through my days in the house. So particular about this, quite frankly. The fruit is actually up here in this drawer. But the reason why I'm so particular about this is how my family has always functioned, to the point where the other day, my daughter took out a box of strawberries. They are so spoiled in this house. She started eating them. I said, don't you want to wash them? She's like, oh, I thought they were washed. Yeah, because mom does that for you, okay? And now you're at college and you come back home and you think everything's just completely done for you. So she washed them. And then I dried them and sliced them for her just because I love her so much. But that is my produce drawer. Awesome. I hope you're going to do the same thing. Remember, prep is your first step to getting it into your day, into your meals. Prep it, prep it, prep it. It doesn't take that long. I don't like getting pre-prepped food. It's already been sitting around cut. I don't like to do that. I like to do it myself. Take a little time. Put a beautiful podcast on, learn something, learn another language, do whatever you gotta do, but get this done, folks.